Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're watching this, you're probably dealing with the frustration of Snapchat not opening your snaps in 2025. Don't worry, it's a common issue, and I'm here to guide you through some quick and easy fixes. By the end of this video, you'll have your snaps loading smoothly again. Let's dive right in. First things first, check your internet connection. Snapchat relies heavily on a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data. Make sure you're connected to a strong network. If your signal is weak, try restarting your router or switching to cellular data. This simple step resolves the problem for many users. Next, update your Snapchat app. Developers release updates regularly to fix bugs, so head to your App Store, whether it's Google Play or the Apple App Store, and check for any available updates. Install the latest version, as it might include patches for issues like this one. Now, let's try restarting your device. Sometimes, a quick reboot can clear temporary glitches. Turn off your phone, wait about 30 seconds, and then turn it back on. Open Snapchat afterward and see if that does the trick. If that doesn't work, clear the app's cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Snapchat, Storage, Clear Cache. For iOS users, you might need to offload the app or restart your device to achieve a similar effect. This frees up space and removes corrupted data that's causing the problem. Another effective fix is to reinstall Snapchat. Uninstall the app from your device, then download and install it fresh from the App Store. This can eliminate any underlying issues with the current installation. Lastly, if none of these steps help, check your device's compatibility with the latest Snapchat version or contact Snapchat support through their help center. They can provide personalized assistance. There you have it. Simple solutions to get your snaps opening again in 2025. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.